More stories developing as far as Bihar here is concerned. This has got to do with the Mahagathbandhan Deputy CM faces hit out at the NDA of a Muslim Deputy CM. Sani says how many Muslim names have the BJP announced. So what has NDA done with Shahnawaz Hussain? Mukesh Sahani targeting the BJP regarding questions about the Muslim Deputy CM. He said, why is the BJP feeling uneasy? They have leaders like Shahnawaz Hussain. Why don't they talk about him? The BJP should abandon hate politics. Migration is a major problem in Bihar. We will work on all of this, is what he said. Listen in.
ये आज उनको डर सताने लगा है। ये बताए बीजेपी कि क्या अति पिछड़ा का बेटा मल्ला का बेटा को डिप्टी सीएम बनाना, क्या इनके पेट में इतना दर्द है? और वो अल्पसंख्यक भाई के लिए फिक्र हम करेंगे। आप वो फिक्र मत कीजिए। आपके पास भी शाहनवाज हुसैन है, उनके बारे में फिक्र करिए। देश में हमारे जो इतने भी अल्पसंख्यक भाई है उनके बारे में सोचिए, उसके बारे में फिक्र कीजिए। नफरत की राजनीति नहीं कीजिए। अभी सबसे पहला मेरा सवाल है भाजपा वाले से कि क्या आपको तकलीफ हो रहा है? एक मल्ला का बेटा, एक केवट का बेटा अगर राज्य में अगर सरकार बनाता है, डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनता है, तो आपको इतना दर्द क्यों हो रहा है भाई? आपको इतना परेशानी क्यों होता है?
An MP from the Bharatiya Janata Party, who was in fact from Bihar, Shahnawaz Hussain, is now being raised by Mukesh Sahani as the face of the Mahagathbandhan as far as the Deputy Chief Minister is concerned. He says how many Muslim names have been announced by the BJP. We all know what the NDA has done with Shahnawaz Hussain, is what Mukesh Sahani is now saying. BJP must abandon the politics of hate. We had a word there from Mukesh Sahani, who has taken on the NDA on this matter. They have leaders like Shahnawaz Hussain. Why don't they talk about him, says Mukesh Sahani. What has the NDA done with Shahnawaz Hussain? He's targeting the BJP regarding questions about the Muslim Deputy CM. Why is the BJP feeling uneasy? I'm going to go straight across to Rohit, getting in more details on that here. The Mahagathbandhan is now taking on the NDA, saying that you yourself have not, in fact, given any importance to Muslim leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party, at least within Bihar. And he cited the example here of Shahnawaz Hussain.
Well, yes, there is a massive controversy that has erupted since yesterday when Tejasvi Yadav was declared as the CM face of the Mahagathbandhan. And interestingly, as his deputy CM, Mukesh Sahani's name was also declared that if Mahagathbandhan wins, Mukesh Sahani will become the deputy chief minister. After this declaration, the BJP has gone all out, hitting out at Tejasvi Yadav and his vote bank, claiming that if Tejasvi Yadav, who is an OBC, becomes the CM face, and Mukesh Sahani, who is an EBC, he becomes the deputy CM face, then what happens to the Muslim voters of Bihar? Because Muslims are believed to be the core vote bank of the RJD for the last 30-40 years. But there has been no representation this time around. As to they have not been, none of the candidates has been declared as a deputy CM face. So BJP has raised questions. Now hitting out back at BJP today, Mukesh Sahani also raised a similar question that why hasn't BJP done anything with Shahnawaz Hussain, a tall party leader, and why has he not been given any post, or why is he ignored in the party? So there is massive politics that has erupted in Bihar over the 18% vote bank of Muslims, and both sides, NDA or the Mahagathbandhan, attacking each other and blaming each other for ignoring the Muslim leaders in their respective parties and alliances.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Rohit Singh getting in those details, and Mukesh Sahani lashing out at the NDA over fielding of a Muslim candidate and projecting a Muslim candidate as the Deputy Chief Minister there. Spotlight now on the Muslim vote bank in Bihar elections. Like we've been telling you, Mahagathbandhan's eye is in the eye of the storm, really, of representation of Muslims in the Grand Alliance. Listen in to this war of words that has broken out.
ये महागठबंधन अनाउंस किया है कि तेजस्वी मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे और जो साहनी साहब हैं वो उप मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे। अब यही हमारा दर्शाता ना, देखिए इनका हिपोक्रेसी जो है ये इस तरह से सामने आ जाती है। यही महागठबंधन और यही महाविकास आघाड़ी का स्लोगन क्या था, जिसकी जितनी संख्या भारी उसकी उतनी हिस्सेदारी। अब क्या हो गया हिस्सेदारी का? 2% वाला साहनी जो है वो बन सकता उप मुख्यमंत्री। 19% वाला जो मुसलमान है उसका अता पता ठिकाना भी नहीं है। देखिए क्या ये इंसाफ है, क्या ये हिस्सेदारी है, क्या ये बराबरी है? हाँ, तो हम तो यही बात कर रहे हैं ना हिस्सेदारी की, यानी मुसलमान सिर्फ आपके लिए दरी बिछाएगा, मुसलमान को आप सिर्फ उसके वोट के लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे, बाद इलेक्शन खत्म, अपना काम बनता, बाहर में जाए मुसलमान जनता, यही आपका उसूल बन गया है।
इनको सिर्फ वोट बैंक बना के रखना है ऐसे समुदाय को। मुसलमानों की बात करेंगे, बट जब रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात आएगी तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन देंगे नहीं, उनको डरा के धमका के अपने साथ वोट बैंक रखना चाहेंगे। सैनी साहब को ही देख लीजिए, अपना समझौता हो गया, खुद डिप्टी सीएम बनने की घोषणा हो गई तो भूल गए, सीटें मिले नहीं मिले, अपने समाज के बाकी लोगों को लड़ा पाए नहीं लड़ा पाए। ये सिर्फ अपनी व्यक्तिगत महत्वाकांक्षाओं की लड़ाई महागठबंधन के घटक दल लड़ रहे हैं।